All right, guys, AMC had an amazing day in the market yesterday, up 6% on the day. So, really good dip buying opportunity, as you mentioned yesterday, for AMC, as well as most of the stocks that we listed in our previous video. So, the market rebounded pretty well, and we're really looking at AMC options. So, there's some option plays that I'm looking at that have some really good return and are pretty safe. So let's head over to the options chain. And one option that I personally have played is this $20 cash secured put right here. So basically, as long as AMC stays above $20 per share by expiration, which is December 10th next week, we make our full credit of $26. So that's over 1% return in 1 week. So pretty safe play. If you have a bigger account, you can sell multiple contracts and collect even more premium. But overall, this is a 1% return. It has a really high chance of profit. The delta is very, very low at 0.06. So this is over a 90% chance to win on this trade for a 1% return. And the best thing is that if AMC drops below $20, that's going to be a really good discounted buy. And you basically, the only way you lose is you buy 100 shares at $20 each if AMC goes below your strike price at expiration. But other than that, I think this is a really high win options trade because of the sell-off, the huge sell-off that occurred 2 days ago. The puts premiums on most stocks were very, very high. So I saw that as a very good opportunity to sell a lot of cash secured puts on my favorite stocks, including AMC, because the premiums were a bit higher. People were pretty scared from the new variant of the coronavirus, and a lot of people were trying to buy puts to hedge their portfolios. But for young investors like myself and people who have a lot of cash in reserve on the sidelines, it's a pretty good opportunity to pick up some discounted shares or have the opportunity to by selling some puts. So that's one way to play this stock. I do think that it will continue to go up over the course of the next few months. Just buying and holding shares, just writing it out, not really caring what the price is going to be doing in the short term, because in the long term, we know this stock is going to explode. Short interest is definitely a big factor, as well as short interest has completely skyrocketed from the sell off yesterday. So if you have a smaller account, you don't want to put in a few $1,000s of collateral, you could do what's known as a put credit spread. So for example, we could sell this $20 put right here, and then we're buying the one under it, the $15 strike. So what it's going to do, it's going to turn it into a put credit spread, 2-leg option strategy, buying the $15 and selling the $20, receiving a total credit of $16. So basically, it's the same deal as the previous, as what we explained earlier. As long as AMC stays above $20 per share, we win on this trade. So that's going to be a very high chance to win, in my opinion. So we're going to be going over here. As you can see, $16 of credit, and basically we have to put up $500 of collateral, which is significantly less than what we would need if we just sold a $20 cash good put alone. So that's perfect for people with smaller accounts. If you want a bit more risk, you can go higher up in the strikes. Let's do an example here. We will, for example, let's say $25 strike. That's still a pretty high chance of profit, in my opinion. So we're gonna be selling 25, and we will be buying the one under it, the 23.5. This is gonna turn into a put credit spread, but our return is gonna be a lot higher. Take a look at our calculator. So it's gonna be our credit of $23 divided by our collateral, which is going to be actually the collateral minus our credit. So 150 minus 23, 127, This is going to be an 18% return in just 1 week if AMC stays above $25. So really good opportunities with AMC. Of course, you could always just buy and hold shares, the tried and true method. And with 100 shares, you can actually sell covered calls, and the premiums are very high. I've been doing the wheel strategy on AMC for quite some time, and I've made a lot of money selling options. So with this strategy, with a $5,000 account, you can make easily a few $100s every single week right now with AMC because the implied volatility is high, which means the option premiums are high as well. That's about it. Thanks for watching.